Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into important environmental topics. Today, we'll be discussing sustainable packaging, a crucial issue in our modern world. Packaging plays a significant role in our daily lives, but it also has a considerable environmental impact. We'll explore the consequences of conventional packaging materials and delve into innovative solutions like biodegradable packaging, reusable containers, and package-free shopping. So, let's get started. Conventional packaging, while essential for protecting products during transportation and consumption, often comes with a hefty environmental cost. One major problem is single-use plastics, such as bags, bottles, and food containers, which end up in landfills and oceans, taking centuries to decompose. This not only pollutes our natural habitats but also poses a significant threat to marine life and wildlife. Additionally, the production of conventional packaging materials requires vast amounts of resources, including petroleum for plastic production and trees for paper-based packaging. The extraction and processing of these resources contribute to deforestation, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating climate change. The entire life cycle of conventional packaging, from production to disposal, consumes vast amounts of energy and water, further straining our natural resources. Clearly, it's time to find better, more sustainable alternatives. One promising solution to the packaging problem is biodegradable packaging. Unlike traditional plastics, biodegradable materials break down naturally into non-toxic substances, reducing the burden on the environment. These materials can be derived from plant-based sources like cornstarch, sugarcane, or even seaweed. Biodegradable packaging can significantly decrease the volume of waste in landfills and oceans, mitigating their adverse effects on ecosystems. Moreover, the production of biodegradable materials typically emits fewer greenhouse gases, making them a more environmentally friendly choice. However, it's essential to ensure that biodegradable packaging ends up in appropriate waste management systems. If these materials are improperly disposed of or mixed with conventional plastics, their ability to biodegrade can be hindered. Proper education and infrastructure are critical to the success of biodegradable packaging. Another fantastic approach to sustainable packaging is the use of reusable containers. Imagine purchasing products in containers that you can return to the store once empty, and they get refilled. This concept is gaining popularity as a zero-waste solution to packaging. Reusable containers reduce the need for continuous production of single-use packaging, thus cutting down on resource consumption and waste generation. They also encourage a shift towards a circular economy, where materials are used, reused, and recycled, minimizing the environmental impact. Many companies and stores are already adopting reusable container systems for products like cleaning supplies, personal care items, and even groceries. Consumers can play a crucial role in driving this movement by choosing products with reusable packaging options whenever possible. One of the most radical and impactful approaches to sustainable packaging is package-free shopping. This concept encourages consumers to bring their containers and bags to refill with products like grains, nuts, spices, and liquids, significantly reducing the need for packaging altogether. Package-free shopping not only reduces waste but also promotes mindful consumption. It encourages consumers to buy only what they need and helps avoid overpackaged goods. It's a powerful step towards creating a more sustainable and responsible consumer culture. To support package-free shopping, many zero-waste stores and bulk sections in supermarkets have emerged, allowing consumers to buy products in bulk and reduce unnecessary packaging. Additionally, some forward-thinking brands are incorporating refill stations in their stores, encouraging customers to reuse their containers. Sustainable packaging is a critical component of our efforts to protect the environment and combat the global waste crisis. By exploring alternatives like biodegradable materials, reusable containers, and package-free shopping, we can significantly reduce the negative impact of packaging on our planet. As consumers, we have the power to drive change through the choices we make. By supporting companies that prioritize sustainable packaging and opting for package-free or reusable options, we can send a clear message that the environment matters to us. Remember, sustainability is a journey, and each step we take, no matter how small, contributes to a brighter and greener future. Let's join hands in adopting sustainable packaging practices and working towards a more sustainable world for generations to come. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more content on environmental issues and sustainable living. Thank you for watching, and together, let's make a difference. Until next time.